To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com. Hey, it's Rand in the Music Nomad studio. Since 2010, Music Nomad has been designing and engineering every instrument care product to be best in class or we don't come out with it. Our premium trumpet snake brush has created a whole new higher standard for what you should expect when you buy one. Let's talk about each feature. No detail is overlooked in our premium and innovative trumpet snake brush, built with unmatched features and benefits to easily clean your trumpet. Starting with our unique tangle-free and flexible design that uses a double-walled, waterproof, eco-friendly polyolefin liner, this protective coating over our stainless steel metal core keeps you from scratching your instrument. Also, our liner contains no PVC or vinyl properties found in many other snake brush protective liners. Vinyl is well known to be the most environmentally damaging plastic, releasing toxic chlorine-based chemicals building up in water, air, and the food chain. Also, the long 34-inch, 86-centimeter length is ideal, combined with the perfect thickness and strength to easily get through all the slides and tubing. There are many other products that tangle up, are flimsy, and just hard to work with. The premium fibers are strong for removing saliva and grime buildup. Many other designs have soft bristles that are not as effective as our bristle design. You need the scrubbing power to get the results you want. The goal is not to push grime around, but remove it. Our light color fiber will allow you to see what you're removing. They are the perfect diameter to slide and clean the round slots found in trumpet valves. Lastly, it comes with a reusable Ziploc storage bag made with PET/PE material, which is 100% recyclable if you were ever to part ways with it. Make sure you remove your valves because you do not want to get them wet due to the felt on here. Next thing you'll do is you'll submerge all the parts after you've taken them apart. Put them in, let them soak for a bit, making sure the parts do not touch each other so they don't bang around. Go ahead and then start removing the smallest piece to the biggest piece. So I'll start with the smallest one. Then you go ahead and rinse it in lukewarm water and let it air dry. Next piece. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and let it air dry. So I dip the brush in a little bit, run it through. Rinse it with lukewarm water and let it air dry. Rinse that off. Then the last piece you'll go in and you'll go with the snake in all the locations. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and let it air dry. So keep it close and use it often. That's Music Nomad quality, raising the bar in equipment care. Make sure you check out all our premium and innovative band and orchestra care products at MusicNomadCare.com.